Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Pimax, the world's smallest, fully featured 8K resolution VR headset. So friend, Pimax has announced a leading VR hardware release in online keynote presentation, the design and specification of the upcoming headset, the Pimax Dreamer Air, and the small and light headset pack 27 million pixels head and held an eye tracking, integrated spatial audio and DisplayPort connection and self-adjustment back strap. So friend, the Dream Air is a PC VR headset and borrow a lots of components from the previously announced Crystal Super, including the micro LED O panel, panic lenses, but bag this into a small form factor headset to satisfy different use cases. It breaks with previous Pimax headset with the new design language and signaling and small form factor ERA of Pimax. And the ultimate PCVR headset for seated simulation experience like flight and racing, and the Dream Air is tailored for active VR users. Its portability and lightweight design cater to applications such as VR chat, room scale VR, and entertainment on the go. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.